Learning objective. After completing this module, learners will be able to understand that universe consists of many celestial bodies, differentiate stars, planets, satellite and other celestial bodies, categorizes the members of the solar system, describe the sun and planets, describe moon as the only natural satellite of the earth, explain asteroids and meteoroids. The Earth in the solar system. Introduction. Up in the sky, have you seen tiny shiny objects in the night sky? Some appear to twinkle such as stars. Some simply glow such as the moon. The moon appears in different shapes and at different positions. We can't see the moon and other bright objects during the day because the very bright light of the sun does not allow us to see all these bright objects of the night sky. The sun, the moon and all those objects shining in the night sky, such as stars, are called celestial bodies. Some celestial bodies are very big and hot. They are made up of gases. They emit large amount of heat and light. The sun is also a star. Some group of stars form patterns in the night sky. Such patterns are called constellations. Big Bear or Ursa Major is one such constellation. Small Bear or Saptarishi, another constellation, is a group of 7 stars. A star called the North Star or Pole Star is used to indicate north direction. It always remains in the same position in the sky. Therefore, people used to determine directions during the night with the help of stars in ancient times. Some celestial bodies do not have their own heat and light. They get light from other stars. They are called planets. The Earth on which we live is also a planet. There are 8 planets in our solar system. The moon that we see in the sky is a satellite of our Earth and moves around it. The solar system. The sun, the 8 planets, satellites and some other celestial bodies known as asteroids and meteoroids form the solar system. The sun is in the center of the solar system. It provides heat and light to other celestial bodies. The 8 planets in our solar system, in order of their distance from the sun, are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. All the 8 planets of the solar system move around the sun in fixed paths called orbits. Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. The Earth is the 3rd nearest planet to the sun. It is the 5th largest planet. It has air and water to support life. 2/3 of the Earth's surface is covered by water. Therefore, it is called the blue planet. The moon is Earth's only permanent natural satellite. A satellite is a celestial body that moves around the planets in the same way as the planets move around the sun. The moon appears so big because it is nearer to our planet than other celestial bodies. There are other celestial bodies that move around the sun. These bodies are called asteroids and meteoroids. Asteroids are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The small pieces of rock which move around the sun are called meteoroids. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy or Akashganga. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars. Our solar system is a part of Milky Way galaxy and clouds of dust and gases. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learned in this module. Stars are huge celestial bodies that emit huge amount of heat and light. Planets are celestial bodies that revolve around the stars. Satellites are celestial bodies that revolve around the planets. Our solar system consists of Sun, the 8 planets, many satellites, asteroids, meteoroids. The Sun is in the center of the solar system. The Earth is a unique planet in the solar system because it has all the conditions favorable to support life. There are numerous celestial bodies that also move around the Sun. These bodies are called asteroids. They are found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The small pieces of rocks that move around the Sun are called the meteoroids. A galaxy is a huge system of billions of stars and clouds of dust and gases.